Okay. Try to get comfortable and rested as much as you can, wherever you are. I know there's people here in all different types of situations, inside, outside, working, resting, middle of the day, end of the day. Try your best to just find whatever peace you can right now. Block out as much as you can. Focus on yourself and your breathing and the light of Hashem that's coming down through you at any given moment. Take a nice big exhale and push everything out. Inhale through your nose into your diaphragm as long as you can. Let it sit inside. All of the light of Hashem and this pure air fill you up. A nice big long exhale. Another nice inhale. With every inhale, feel another wave of relaxation coming over you. Light of Hashem calming everything down. Feel this light coming down around you, surrounding you on all sides. A light of submission, feeling like you want to give in. Step into an inner realm, stripped of all expectations and all externalities, who I am and what I might be. As I focus on my breath, this hevel, this breath that comes out from Hashem down through me, infusing us with the neshama, with vitality, with purpose, with meaning. I realize those are all the most beautiful things in my life, and I would love for them to shine outwardly. All that matters is that breath, that emanation of the light of Hashem, the will of Hashem being revealed into my world, around me. It's the most precious inner truth I could ever focus on. Hashem is the doer and the only thing that there is at all. There is no other true reality outside of Hashem. This awareness should allow me to have balance in my desires. That one, they should be aligned to my inner truth, the will of Hashem. And two, such importance, once I realize they are aligned, I need to put all of my might and all of my fire and a holy passion to be able to be successful. To not look at the outcomes and the expectations of what's going to be, focus on who sent me on the mission. Who is the one that's really doing everything here? What is the inner truth? In the end of days, we have a promise that all of Israel will be ingathered from the exiles, from the four corners of the earth, from all of the dark places of the world. The light of Hod is also this idea, the ingathering of the exiles, everybody who feels exiled, everybody who feels detached, anybody who's in a dark place, anybody who is captive in their mind, in their body, in their desires, in their habits. Mekabetz nidche amo Israel. It is Hashem who will bring us all out of our exiles and bring us back to the place of Yashar El, of having a straightforward connection with Hashem, awareness that Hashem is behind everything, that He put us there too to experience a certain unique light and to reveal Him in a very, very unique dark place like Hod, the bottom of the left side. We want to pray that everybody makes it back, everybody comes back with the mercy of Hashem. And so too the beauty, the Hod V'Adar of Yerushalayim will be brought back to the world, the splendor and the radiance of the light of Hashem that emanated out of Jerusalem, the city of gold. That too should be restored. The work of Aaron HaKohen, who's rooted in Hod. Him and his sons will get their positions back in the temple to lead the Jews, and everybody will know how to connect to Hashem and how to find the real ways of tshuva, which always end with joy out of a deep recognition that Hashem is behind every action that happens in this world. To realize that out of the darkest places, sometimes the biggest lights come out. The Zohar, all of the Chassidut that came out of Eastern Europe, the ingathering of the exiles that came out of the Holocaust, the Kabbalah and the Shulchan Aruch, and all of the golden era of Tzfat that came out of the Inquisition. Today's the day where we can take a second opportunity, a second chance, the merit of Pesach Sheni, second Passover. After we realize that we missed the opportunity for whatever reason, Hashem decided that we missed it, but we still want more. We want a part of that inner truth. We don't want to be passed over. We want it. And if we ask Hashem, because we know it's from Hashem, He gives. Because the truth is, even in a dark place, if we give into the truth and we're happy with our connection to Hashem and the inner radiance that can be found in anything I experience in life. And I can come to the heights with understandings of Rabbi Shimon Bar Yochai, and to know that the book of the Zohar, the book of this radiance, is what will take the nation of Israel out of exile. Chase after peace, to one piece. Let Hashem send this light to whoever you know that needs it. Feel them and send them this light of hope, the light of Rabbi Shimon. The light of the Zohar that teaches us that there's nothing besides Hashem. Everything is just Hashem. The book that teaches us how to turn the bitterness into sweet and the dark into light. You can stay in this as long as you want. There's no rush. If you're ready to stop, just take a nice, big, deep inhale. Hold on to what you can and make a prayer that this light stays and helps to lead you to align your actions with the truth. And when you're ready, come back on.